Well, hello, First Church. It's the Don. I'm here to tell you that your Lord and Savior, Jesus, would definitely vote for me. Because, you see, the Lord created the heavens and the earth in 7 days. But on the 8th day, He voted for the Don. And it was the hugest thing that He ever did. And it was fabulous.
Ha ha ha, Donald. You know Jesus would vote for me because I'm a grandmother. And I love my grandbabies just like I would love being president of this great country.
Hillary, that would be amazing. Except that it wouldn't be.
That's what you think, Don. But Jesus would vote for me because I consistently wear a blue blazer pantsuit. Just like Jesus' own mother, Mary, wore blue in every picture.
Hillary, you couldn't be more wrong. Jesus would definitely vote for me. Remember that when you vote for Donald, you're voting for who Jesus would vote for. And a vote for me will be huge.
At least my hair is real, Don.